We have a European client who purchased our Zhaga sockets last month. However, during the sample testing phase, they encountered the tricky issues after installing the Zhaga socket. They found that the interior space of the luminaire was insufficient, resulting in a small gap that prevented the housing from closing completely. The client then asked if we had a solution. The client had purchased the JL700 standard version Zhaga socket. After understanding the specific dimensional parameters of the luminaire, we recommended switching to the JL700 as short thread version as an improved solution. Below is a detailed parameter comparison of the two socket models. Compared to the standard JL700, the JL700S has an overall height of 22.5毫米, which is 6.5毫米 shorter than the JL700S 29毫米, without changing core components such as the driver and light source. Inside the luminaire, simply shortening the thread length of the Zhaga socket saves more internal space. The client adopted this solution, and the issue was successfully resolved in the end. Do you have any other suggestions for improvement on this matter? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.